Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy DJ coming to y'all with another video. And I know it's been a while. Y'all already know it's always some time between my videos as I do them because I'm a busy person. Truck driver life, as y'all already know. But yeah, I'm gonna come to y'all with another video today. And as y'all see by the title, we're gonna do something a little bit today. Something that I haven't done in a while. Something that I love to do, and it's like a hobby to me, but it's also like a lifestyle. But yeah, I love doing photography. So yeah, we're gonna go down to Savannah downtown, get some footage of you know, the whips, and I'm gonna do some drone footage and some photography of, you know, the Savannah area, of what I can and things like that, and see how the video turns out. You know, I'm gonna do more things like this of other cities, and with me being on the road, I can, you know, get a lot of cities in the country. But yeah, so y'all go ahead, and I don't usually care for things like this, but if y'all want to, go ahead and like the video, subscribe if you're new and you just found out about my channel, way up on the up and up, trying to get, you know, go ahead and hit 100 subscribers and see where the channel goes from here. But yeah, y'all, let's go ahead and make our way down there. All right, YouTube, so what's up? We back at it. I'm down here in Savannah, and it feels hella nice out here. It's hot as shit though. But yeah, so I'm about to go ahead and take lift off on the drone, get some good videos downtown Savannah, you know, some pictures, videos, post them up. So like I said, y'all go ahead and tap in with me on TikTok and Instagram, because I'm not gonna post everything I get here on my YouTube, but I'll make some videos and post things on TikTok and post my pictures on my Instagram, on my main Instagram. Go check me out on my main Instagram. It's DJ Too Tough, ITS DJAYTOOTUFF, and I'll be posting a lot of my main photography pictures there. So go tap in with me there. But let's go ahead and get this drone lifted off into the air, see what we can do. This is gonna be my first time doing something like this, so we'll see how it turns out, but we'll perfect it over time and things like that. So let's go ahead and do it. Up she go. Alright, and it's a done data just like that. Alright, YouTube, so we went ahead and got some drone footage done. I don't know how it's gonna look, but we'll see once the YouTube video's out, or y'all already seen it right now because I've already edited and did everything I can. But I'm gonna go ahead and get ourselves going. Go ahead and put the drone in there. I might get some footage of the car, just so y'all can see the car. Actually, let me go ahead and show y'all the whip right now. I ain't really did too much to it lately, but I did a couple more cosmetic things, as y'all can see. Hope y'all like the little cosmetic changes I did to it. I blacked this out on the side too. But yeah, just a little few cosmetic things, just to add a little flavor, you know, just add a little ambiance and shit to the car. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna close out this video, not right now, but I'm gonna come back to y'all in just a second and close it out. I'm about to go ahead and ride out and just probably enjoy the day for a minute, but I'll get back to y'all in just a second. All right, YouTube, what's good with y'all? I'm back like I said I was gonna be, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and close this video. It shouldn't be that long of a video. Like I said, this is something new that I'm trying, and just want to kind of see how things go with it. But it's something that I am gonna be doing a lot on the channel, because I do love photography, like I said, and you know, I got a good eye for things. So I hope y'all do like it. I hope y'all enjoy this video. It will be more of this, maybe longer, once I start getting a feel for how things go and all that, and you know, longer videos like this. And yeah, so sorry if my eye looks swollen. I don't know what the hell is going on with my eye, but this shit is swollen, and I may look crazy on camera. I can't really tell from my perspective right now, but it is what it is. It is what it is. So yeah, anyways, let me go ahead and get a quick view of Reaper real quick, because like I said, I know y'all ain't really seen him much in a while, but yeah, that boy clean. Yeah. I got some things coming soon that I'm gonna change on him, just like little cosmetic things, you know, like the accent lights I got, I'm gonna change them out, and just some other little things, but I'm gonna change out some things on them, and I got some bigger things that I'm gonna do later, you know, when I get the opportunity. And yeah, it'll be all posted on my Instagram, so y'all can see it. A lot of y'all follow me on Instagram, on my car Instagram. Like I said, check me out on my personal Instagram. It's DJ Too Tough, ITSDJAYTOOTUFF. Go follow, go check it out. Go check out my TikTok. All this will be in the link in the description. I ain't even gonna sit here and keep spelling all that. It's too much for me to spell. But yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I love every single one of y'all that be showing love and watching and viewing. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. So peace out.